Welcome, riders and enthusiasts, to the unveiling of the 2024 KTM 450 SX-F Factory Edition, the pinnacle of motocross engineering. Crafted to dominate the track, this factory edition embodies the relentless pursuit of excellence in performance and innovation. Its 450 cubic centimeters engine roars with power, delivering unparalleled torque and acceleration. The 2024 KTM 450 SX-F engine gets the titanium Akrapovic slip-on exhaust as standard, which shaves weight and increases power, while the motor breathes more freely with its updated air intake sleeve and snorkel. The Connectivity Unit Offroad (CUO) is an important new addition for 2024. This two-part system is mounted between the right fork leg with the GPS component fixed on the front fender. There's also a pretty cool official affiliation with LitPro, which lets riders check and overlay lines, speed, gearing and other information all through the app. The 2024 KTM 450 SX-F comes with a special new chassis is also a key focus for KTM with its varied wall thickness and cutaway sections, which improve flexibility yet reduce weight. Fully adjustable and tool-free WP suspension on the factory editions runs 310mm travel, 48mm WP Zact AER front forks with redesigned protection rings, and the WP factory start device. The rear shock has new low-friction linkage seals, and specific linkage settings have been reworked for optimal weight saving and stiffness. The bike offers unrivaled stability and control, allowing riders to conquer any terrain with confidence and precision. Further improvements for 2024 include high-strength did-wheel sets with orange CMC machined hubs, harder for the bigger, fast jumps, golden chain and Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires, and gray ODI grips. But it's not just raw power. Technology meets finesse with customizable mapping, giving riders the ability to tailor the bike's performance to their exact preferences and the demands of the track. Beyond its performance prowess, the factory edition prioritizes rider comfort and usability. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable riding experience, allowing riders to focus solely on their performance. In the world of motocross, where every second counts, the 2024 KTM 450 SX-F Factory Edition stands as the embodiment of speed, precision, and the relentless pursuit of victory. In summary, the 2024 KTM 450 SX-F Factory Editions isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's a fusion of power, technology, and adaptability, inviting riders to explore uncharted territories with unmatched confidence and style. Thank you for joining us today to explore the thrilling features of the 2024 KTM 450 SX-F Factory Edition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and exciting content. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.